Welcome back, folks. Today we'll be showcasing another classic dish called Southern Collard Greens. That's right. Southern Collard Greens are a soulful cornerstone of Southern cuisine, celebrated for its deep, smoky flavors and meltingly tender texture. Slowly simmered in a rich broth with smoky meats and a splash of vinegar, this iconic dish represents comfort, tradition, and culinary heritage. So folks, you want to learn how to make this iconic Southern greens or Southern collard greens? Well, stick around and I'll show you how to make them. So let's get started. Alright folks, for our ingredients, we'll be using some garlic, some onions, red pepper flakes, these are optional, salt and pepper. I'm going to use me some Worcestershire sauce for a bit of flavor. You can use your own thing. Chicken broth. Also we'll use some apple cider vinegar at the end. And for protein, I'm choosing to use bacon. And of course, our main ingredients would be the chopped collard greens. I got about 2 pounds of chopped collard greens here. Make sure you rinse them well and clean them up properly, all right? So there you have it. Let's do this. All right, folks, let's get started here. I'm gonna start off by rendering our chopped bacon. I cut them in 1-inch strips and we're gonna render them till they're crispy. Oil comes up, or the oil comes out, or the fat. We're gonna use that fat in the bacon to saute, add flavor to this dish. Folks, it's an easy dish to make. It's very so delicious. One of my favorites, actually. Some Southern collard greens. Now, typically, the classic, traditional way is to just simmer right away the collard greens, all right? But I found that sauteing it, this is another way of doing it, adds more depth and flavor to the dish or to the greens themselves. This is about 1 pound of bacon, so probably gonna take about 10 minutes to crisp them all up. All right, I'll show you what it looks like when we come back.
Ladies and gentlemen.
All right, folks, let's go back here. It's about 10 minutes in. Look at that, baby. Look at those bacons. Yum yums. Should be enough right there. But look at the bottom of the pot, folks. Those are flavors. Those are yum yums, all right? That's gonna be incorporated with our greens later on, all right? But see how much grease we manage or bacon fat we manage there? That's a lot. Let's reduce that a bit. Although it's flavor, but that's, I believe, is too much for our dish here. I only got about 2 pounds of greens here. All right, so save that for later. Don't throw those away, folks. Those are liquid gold. All right, we're gonna start adding our onions and garlics together. For this dish, you want the flavor of garlic, not toasted garlic, all right? Look at that. I'm using a big pot right here in order to hold the bunch of our collard greens here, because collard greens doesn't wilt right away. So you gotta really have a big pot to hold them. Also, once you put the stock, little salt and pepper there. All right. medium-high heat. All right. With the collard greens, make sure you rinse them well, okay? I actually mash them with salt too. That way it gets rid of that pungent smell or super smell, farting like smell. May utot. Anyway, to really, see? That's just 2 pounds, folks. That's 2 pounds. So you really got to use a big pot over here when making this dish. All right. Want to incorporate some salt and pepper there. Give this up some flavor. Okay. Want to add now my chili pepper flakes. This is optional. You can stay away from chili pepper flakes or heat if you don't want to. About a teaspoon or so. Added flavoring here, Worcestershire. Again, you can use your own thing you want. All right. We'll start trying to get these sauteed with our garlic and onions. All right, look at that, folks. Smells so good now. Woo! All right. Can give this about a minute or two to absorb that flavors that we just added. All right?
Ladies and gentlemen.
All right, about a minute's up. Look at that. Awesome, awesome greens. Woo! All right. Make sure you scrape up those yum-yums from the bottom. All right? See? Scrape them up. Don't waste that. Well, it's not going to be wasted anyway because we're going to simmer this now. All right. Some chicken broth. It's about 3 pounds of chicken broth that we got here. All right. Let's soak that baby up with some chicken broth here. Look at that. By the way, you can buy them collard greens chopped already in the supermarket, favorite grocers, but if not, you can use fresh. But also make sure you use the stems too, folks, when you're doing this. All right, don't throw away the stems. All right, medium-high heat, or high heat for now to bring it to a boil. For collard greens, or some tender collard greens, this will take probably about 30 to 40 minutes for it to become tender. All right, gonna simmer this medium-high heat for about 30-40 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like when we come back.
Ladies and gentlemen.
All Alright folks, about 30 minutes in, I want to go ahead and check and see where we are as far as the tenderness of these greens that we have. Look at that. Look at that. Also wanted to see where we are as far as the taste. It's much more important, of course. Wow. Wow. We are there on the taste. But I think we needed really about 10 minutes more. All right. Gonna cover this back up and simmer this for another 10 minutes. Once we come back, we should be done.
Ladies and gentlemen.
All right. Let's check back. Another 10 minutes, make this 40 minutes into the cooking process, folks. All right, looks like we're there. Look at those bacon. Yummy, yummy bacon right there. All right. Let's add in the last ingredient would be apple cider vinegar. Let's give this a douse of that's about 2 tablespoons. There you have it. Just to cut through the bitterness of that collard greens. All right, here's a mix. All right. Final taste. See where we at. Wow. That's delicious. Tender. A little bit of spiciness there, a little bit of kick, sourness, and the chicken flavor. Wow. Go get yourself, folks, some good cornbread, some fried chicken, because this baby's done. There you have it, folks. Our southern collard greens. I thank you for watching, and until we cook again. Wow, wow, we. Look at that. Tapos sa pulutan to eh. Don't forget the Tabasco sauce.